Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to convert a SKP file, which is a SketchUp file, into a FBX file. So basically an FBX film box file is prominently 3D file format used to store and exchange 3D models, animation, textures and scene hierarchies. It is primarily used in video games development, film productions, and virtual reality applications to transfer complex asset between different software and programs. It is basically developed by Autodesk, and it is majorly used in 3D modeling and animation software, in video game development, and in film and VFX pipelines. So this is the main use of the FBX file format. So you would have a question like, why will I convert and SketchUp file into FBX file? If you are just a normal architect, then you wouldn't be using it in your whole lifetime. But if you are anyone who is related to animation, video game development, and film and VFX planning and designing, then your FBX file format from SketchUp will really help you in the scene scenery and things like that. So let's jump to how to actually do it. So basically just select the whole model and make one group of it, and after making one group of it, just go to files, then press on export, press on 3D model, and under the option of save as type, you have to select the FBX file, which is a film box extension file format, and just press export. In just like a few seconds, your SketchUp model will be exported to a FBX file. I wouldn't be able to open it in front of you because I don't have the software that actually supports FBX file format. But we recently had a doubt that how to convert a SketchUp file into FBX file. So as you can see it right over here, your SketchUp file is converted into AutoCAD FBX file. So this is how simple it is to convert a SketchUp file to a FBX file. So if you liked the video, then share it with someone who may need it. And thank you.